Nice, everyone. On this exercise, we combine the squats, going to our toes and bringing the knee up, so like a high knee. Let me explain to you. So you're gonna do a normal full squat, go as deep as you can, trying to go as low as you can on your hip here. And when I'm gonna go up, when I get to the peak of the exercise, when I fully extend my hip, I'm gonna combine by bringing my knee up and going to my toes, almost like if I'm gonna jump, but I don't actually leave the floor. So I'm gonna go up, push. And if I can add a little pause on the top as well, that's gonna maximize the exercise as well. So I'm gonna go down, up, pause. And then I alternate to the other side, push, and then come back. So trying to go as high as you can on your toes and use that momentum and combine everything as one movement instead of going here, step, and then push. So there, push, up, push, and pause there. I hope that helped. Make sure you warm before you do that, and I see you on the next one.